One of the things that when we work with buyers, we run into issues with is that they get beat out by people with cash, all cash buyers. Sellers would sometimes more rather than not go with a cash buyer than someone who's getting a loan. And the reason why is because it's just easier with a cash buyer. It's faster, there's no lender, there's no appraisal, you get it. So what if you're a buyer who doesn't have a mountain of gold, then you want to be a cash buyer? Well, you can, and here's how. We work with lenders that do this. I'm a buyer, I want to buy that house, but I want to buy it in cash. So the lender gives me the cash to go buy that house. And congratulations, I got it. Well, now to pay off that lender, I have to sell my current house, which is fine, I was planning on doing that anyway, to pay off the loan of the cash that got me in the new house. And that's about it. You need to have a credit score of about 620. It's gonna cost you a little money, about 2 points, meaning percentage points to 5 percentage points, depending on how much money you're getting, the size of the house, and all that jazz. But if you want to compete in a very competitive buyer's market, which is normally the case in California, it's not a bad way to make sure that you can get in and then only have to move once. Because let's say that you don't have the money to actually buy a house without selling first. Well, that's a problem, because a lot of times sellers are not going to just say, oh yeah, no problem, I'll wait 60 days for you to sell your house before you can buy mine. They don't want to do that. This way, if you get the cash up front, you only have to move one time, and it's just easier. It'll cost more money, I know that, but it'll save you a lot of frustration down the road, and it can get you in the house that you really want instead of the house that you have to settle for. If this is interesting to you at all, message us. We'll get you started. Thanks for watching.